Okay, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's Monday noun. Mrs. The title given to a married woman. A married woman. Title. The title. Yeah. So referring to a woman without a higher or honour professional title. Doctor, PhD and beyond. So are you Mrs. Jones? Are you Mrs. Jones? Are you Mrs. Nanchev? Yeah. Where is Mrs. Nanchev? Where? Where is Mrs. Nanchev? We only allow Mrs. into the lecture. Yeah, it's a lecture for women only. Yeah, Mrs. Yes. So there are a lot of Mrs. here in the room. Yes. Who is Mrs. and Mrs. Jones? Who is Mrs. Jones? Who? Yeah. We have a lot of Mrs. Harriman here. Mrs. Harriman's here. Jessica Harriman. Anya Harriman. Charlotte Harriman. A lot of Harrimans here. Yeah. Yeah. And that is how she became a Mrs. That is how she became a Mrs. She met him and then she married. When they were married, she became Mrs. Let's say Jones. Mrs. Jones. So we have Miss or Mrs. for singular, and Mrs. Jones, and Mrs. to plural. Yeah. She is Mrs. Jones. We have a lot of Mrs. Joneses. Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Joneses on the list. One Mrs. Jones, loads of Mrs. Joneses. Yeah, how cool is that? And do you think she will be a Mrs. in the future? Do you think she will be a Mrs. in the future? When do you think she will be Mrs. Blue? When do you think she will be Mrs. Blue? When do you think she'll be Mrs. Blue? Maybe in a year or two? Maybe? Depends on things, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So, Mrs. Yeah. So, can you write Mrs. in a sentence and put it in the comments below? The comments. And subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah. You can also find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yes, Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.